Hi everyone, today I came to visit one outlet called Jineshwar Fashion. This comes in a street called Chickpet Main Road, which comes in Bengaluru, India. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Kala Mandir, this red color board. So when you come here, right next to that, this is a complex. Complex name is not there. In second floor, you can just check Jineshwar Fashion. So you have to go inside this complex like this. Here is outlet name is there. You have to go in second floor. So this is outlet. You can just have a look. Exclusive manufacture of ladies blouse. What a outlet! Superb manufacture. They have their own factory also. This is a wholesale outlet. They have retail outlet also. So they have two firm. One is wholesale. One is retail. Awesome collections of blouse, sari, shapewear, kurtis. Amazing outlet. So if you're in business, you want to start a new business or you want to buy for yourself also, you can come here. Number is on video screen. Any more detail, you can directly WhatsApp them, video call them, and they're going to send you all the details. And just see like this daily lot of parcel comes, goes 15 to 20 different parts of India. They do export also like Canada and all. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Vipul. Vipul, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
Sir, we are mainly the manufacturers in ready-made blouses.
Okay.
We have ready-made blouses from starting scratch till the high-end party wear, everything.
Okay.
Starting from basic daily wear blouses up to high wear.
And apart from blouse, what and all you'll get over
We
here?
deal in blouses,
Okay.
sari shapewears and kurtis.
Okay.
These three are our main products and these three are our own manufacturing.
Okay, and where and all your product goes, like
We
in
supply
India
all
outside?
over India, also pan India, and also to 3-4 countries in 3-4 countries overseas.
Okay, and how many years over for you in this business?
We are in this from 25 years almost.
Okay, and minimum how much they have to buy?
Ready-made blouses for wholesale they have to start minimum with 10,000 plus,
Okay,
or at least 50 pieces.
Okay.
Mixed designs. It should not be a single design. They can take in mixed designs.
okay,
If you want, we can arrange a video call also for
Okay.
the selection.
Okay.
Or if they walk in, that is the more best.
and you have wholesale and retail outlet both.
Yes, we do have two different stores. One is completely for wholesale. One is completely for retail. As of now, you are shooting in a wholesale store.
Okay.
We'll show you all the varieties in ready-made blouses.
And what is the timing of your outlet?
Our timing is Monday to Saturday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, and Sundays?
and Sunday 11 a.m. to 3 p.m.
Okay,
This is one of our product.
okay,
We also make ari work materials,
nice.
semi-stitch materials.
okay.
So this is our semi-stitch fabrics. You can
Okay.
just check.
How much it starts from, like per
This
meter or
is
something?
the range starting from 285 rupees almost.
Okay.
In wholesale bulk.
Cool.
This is two sleeves.
Okay,
This is back work. This is sleeves work.
Very
we
nice.
usually make a 1.2 meter fabric.
Okay.
We don't give a cut fabric like 1 meter and all those who do in market.
okay.
We give all exclusive fabrics.
In this, how much collections you are having, like?
We have more than thousands designs.
Okay. And if someone wants to get it tailored from you, how much orders they have to give you?
Minimum 20 to 30 pieces.
Okay.
If you want the same stitch, same pieces can be ready stitched also. We'll give you ready stitched also.
Amazing collections.
Yes.
Nice.
I'll show you all the varieties. Just check.
And what is the highest range of blouse over here?
Starting from 75, I have said you. I have up to 3,000 rupees max
Okay.
in wholesale. That same thing sells in retail for 6,000, 7,000,
Okay.
which I'll give you for 3,000.
And what about all this stitch quality and all? Very nice, right?
Completely ari work. This color guarantee. This color will not go.
Okay.
And all are stitched in 1.2 meter fabric.
Nice, very nice.
Yes. Which is flexible for all the sizes.
So
44,
people can buy
46, 48
people can
sizes.
buy ready-made as well as fabrics also.
Yes.
If they want.
I'm showing you some samples in ari work fabric.
Very nice.
Now I'll give you the same thing again in ready-made also. I'll
Okay.
show you those varieties too.
Cool.
You can just check this collections.
Nice.
These are just some of the collections which I'm showing you.
Amazing.
There are multiple and many designs available. In each design you'll get more colors too. This is grand Palaki design blouses.
Superb.
It's pure Zardosi. Pure Zardosi and heavy work.
Nice.
This is the sleeves of this blouse. Yeah.
So in this one particular design, how many colors will get?
Almost 30 colors in each design.
Okay, 30 colors you will get.
Yeah.
Stunning,
And
yeah.
if you want customized like 50, 60 colors also we can make it.
Okay,
We have a fabric range of more than 150 colors.
okay.
If you want other colors also, like if you want same design, 7, 8 other colors, we can make it for you.
Fantastic designs. Yeah.
Yes.
Beautiful quality. Lot of varieties.
In this
Great
Ari
opportunity.
work thing, we do all types of customizations also,
Okay.
where the minimum count would be at least 10 pieces in each design.
Okay,
If a customer is giving 10 piece in
Okay.
each design, we can make any color whichever they want.
okay. So great opportunity for you guys.
See this.
Oh, beautiful. Wow. Stunning. Once it's
Something
come.
really exclusive
Nice.
and pure handworks.
Lovely. Once it's in the finished product, it looks stunning.
I'll show you the finished product too.
Lovely.
Just check the work. These are just some samples I'm showing you.
Lot of varieties are there. You all, I think,
Because
one
I
of the
can't show
biggest
you all the
manufacturer.
varieties. There are so many varieties.
So many
here.
varieties are there.
Yes.
And anyone who will come here, you'll not go empty hand because price
That's
is very
for
reasonable
Sure. That's 100% sure.
and quality is awesome. Designs are superb.
And ready-made blouses, we are the superior in this
Okay.
because we have all types of varieties.
You are there in this business for more than 30 years.
Yes.
Nice.
Just
Wow.
take this.
So
It's
nice.
all netted fabric.
Beautiful this is.
This is all cut dana work.
Lot of work
With
has gone
ari
in
work.
this. Nice.
We have all types
High
of
quality
handwork forms.
craftsmanship you have, I think.
Huh?
You have very high quality craftsmanship.
100%, sir. Because we are into this business from long time.
Stunning, yeah. Superb. I think this is one of the best place for blouse and till the date I've shot. So minimum 10k you have to buy. Number is on video screen. Any more detail, WhatsApp video call them. They'll send you all detail. And these are also few samples. You can just have a look.
Same
This,
all in ready-made patterns.
nice. Superb.
See the pattern.
This kind of blouse, how much it will cost in ready-made?
Sir,
Starting?
our cost is very low.
Okay.
We can't share this
the
on
price.
online here.
Okay.
But just WhatsApp us. We'll share you the prices and
Okay.
everything.
Minimum 50 piece or 10k.
Just check this, sir.
Nice. And people who are connected with you in WhatsApp, they get regular updates.
Yes, yes. Obvious.
And they have their own Instagram page also. You can subscribe over there. They put regular videos. Very nice. Amazing collection. Amazing designs. This all is.
This all are ready pieces which I'm showing you.
And if you want in bulk for your wedding, for any function also, you can come here. Great, great collections they're having. Superb, yeah. Very nice colors, nice combination.
Just check this.
Superb this is. This is like glass work.
Yeah, this is completely Zardosi work.
Very nice.
See the
Transparent
knitted
behind. Very fashionable.
We have many designs, sir.
Nice.
Customer will not get unsatisfied with the designs here. Because there are so many designs to look after.
Very nice. Lot
Yes.
of varieties. More than 10,000 varieties is there.
Check this, sir.
Beautiful color.
I'm just
beautiful
showing you
fabric.
some samples out of it.
Nice.
Each design has a color, each design has a size pattern.
And the quality of fabrics and all this work is also very
completely
nice.
premium. You will
Very
not
premium.
get any problem with the fabric or anything at all.
Okay.
We have basic ranges of blouses starting from 2x2 daily wear blouses.
Okay. Size
So-
what we'll get?
75 rupees starting sizes from 32 up to 44 available.
Okay.
Yes.
How many colors we'll get like?
Almost 30 to 35 colors in each design.
Okay. Then?
Yes. These are basic range blouses which I have
Okay.
shown you.
Regular wear.
I'll show you some more fancy designs.
Okay.
We have fancy blouses, stretchable blouses, party wear blouses, ari work, magam work, hand work, everything.
Okay.
I'll just show you some varieties. If you
Yeah.
come on.
And in how many days your collection keeps getting updated?
Every 2 days.
Every 2 days.
Yes.
And you have your own factory also.
Total is this all are manufacturing totally.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah.
In blouses, whatever you say, if you want ikat, cotton, brocades, fancies, party wears, ari work, magam work, bridal blouses, we have all the varieties under one roof.
Okay.
Any type of blouses you want, you will get it here.
You have huge varieties. I think more than 1,000 varieties are here of blouse.
Sir, more than 10,000.
More than 10,000 varieties of blouse are here. Okay.
Yes.
And would you like to show any more?
Yes, I'll show you some varieties. You
And
can
all
just check.
prices are different.
Everything.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah. This is what fabric like?
This is all Akoba cotton.
Okay. Very nice. Yeah.
You can check.
Nice.
Front, back.
In one print,
This
how many
is-
colors will get? One design?
This is one of our latest product.
Okay.
You can just check this. No one is making like this type of
Beautiful.
product in the market.
Very nice. Yeah. Quality is very nice. Quality, colors.
See this. This is a side stretchable fabric
Okay.
which adjusts accordingly 34 to 38 size.
Okay.
Yes.
Very comfortable to wear.
Yes, very comfortable.
Okay.
You can check.
In this store, there'll be so many new patterns every time, right?
Yes, every
with
time,
zip,
every time.
with lace, with everything.
Every time you'll get a new design, new
Very nice.
collections, new colors. Just come on, actually.
So right from basic to wedding wear, everything you get.
Everything, everything.
Stunning, yeah. Very nice. Beautiful
You'll
collections
get all
of blouse.
fancy patterns, latest patterns, sleeveless,
So people who are reseller, they have a great opportunity
100%.
because they are getting direct manufacturer.
yes.
And you have seen his factory in the beginning of the video. They are the exclusive manufacturer, not just wholesaler.
Just see the stock in each design.
Beautiful
in each design,
collection.
you'll get a stock of almost 200, 300, 400 pieces.
This much varieties, I don't think so. You will get anywhere in blouse.
Nowhere in South for sure.
Superb collection, and they supply pan India, I think,
Yes.
and also export like Canada and all.
Yes.
Wow, beautiful collection. And what and all fabric will get in blouse?
Sir, any type you name it. Brocade, silk, fancy, georgette, 2x2, anything.
Stunning, very
You name
fashionable.
anything, we have it.
Amazing. And if you want for wedding wear, regular wear, even for fashionable also, very nice. This all is
I've shown you all some basic varieties. Now I'd like to show you some party wear varieties.
okay.
You can just show this video to everyone.
Awesome collections of blouse. You can just have a look. Minimum just you have to buy 50 piece or numbers on video screen. You can directly WhatsApp them, video call them, and they'll send you all the details. So what about this Vipul? What is all these collections?
This all are Ari work, Magam work blouses.
Okay.
I'm just showing you some samples.
Superb collections. So many varieties.
This is just displayed to show you all the color range we have.
Lovely. Yeah. Very nice.
We have more than 150 to 200 color range
Okay.
in this type of patterns.
Very nice.
Yes. We have stretchable blouses also in
Okay.
all ranges,
Very nice.
starting from almost 70 rupees
Okay.
up to 600 rupees.
What size to what size we get in this?
All sizes, S, M, L, XL, double XL.
Okay.
All
And
the
any
sizes.
in this
Double
also any
XL,
plus
3XL.
size comes? Anything?
Yes, you'll get plus sizes also.
Okay.
I'll just show you some colors, some designs.
Very nice. Yeah.
You can just check.
Beautiful fabrics. Very nice.
These all are exclusive fabrics.
Stunning.
These are not Indian fabrics.
Okay. Nice. Cool.
Just check this.
Nice. Nice prints, nice colors.
Different ranges available.
Beautiful colors.
These all are net
Nice.
fancy patterns.
This is like next level collections here. So many collections. Very nice. Great opportunity for
I'm
people.
just showing you a glimpse of these things. But in each type of patterns I've showed you, I have more than 500, 600 in each.
Superb.
Like stretchable 600 varieties, fancy 600 varieties, Ari work almost 700, 800 varieties,
Nice.
like that.
Yeah, right now Vipul, what you are going to show?
See, these all are sari shapers.
Very nice.
We are manufacturers in sari shapers also.
Okay, you
We have
manufacture this?
Yes.
Okay.
We manufacture this and we have many varieties in sari shapers.
Okay.
Different fabrics. This is satin fabric. We have lycra fabric. we
Colors,
have
how many
cotton
will get?
shapers. Each design we have almost more than 150 colors in each.
Okay. Any starting price you want to tell or?
No.
Okay.
I'll just you
They
can
can
just
WhatsApp.
contact.
All
Yes,
right.
You
Okay.
can just contact for this. I'll show you all the
Yeah.
shapewear collections and colors.
And in this what like size or anything?
Yeah, you have three sizes: ML, SM, LXL,
Okay.
and 2XL, 3XL.
Superb stock. You can just check, and they are the manufacturer, and this all is
See this.
the stock. You can just check. If you want in bulk, 100 piece, 1000 piece, 2000 piece, you can order them.
We have a ready stock of 60,000 pieces in our shop every
Okay.
time.
Cool. And what and all fabric will get in Sari Shaper?
Yes, satin shapewear and cotton shapewear and lycra shapewear and all you'll get it.
So this all are the orders. You can just check. Going to different parts of the world daily, 15-20 parcels they sell. This is one more color which he has already showed you. Then this is also one more color. You can just have a look.
I'm just showing you some colors, but
Okay.
there are almost 150 colors.
What about the quality? Since you are the manufacturer,
100% superior quality.
Very
You'll not get a
nice.
complaint. I'll
Okay.
not let you get a complaint from the customers.
lovely. So even if you want any more detail, you can WhatsApp. They'll send you all the details. So right now, Vipul, what you are going to show?
I'm showing you ready-made kurtis.
Okay.
This also is manufactured by us itself.
All right.
There is always a benefit you take it from manufacturer because once it goes from manufacturer to wholesaler, then to retailer, the margin adds up.
Okay.
If you directly buy from me, there is no in-between margin, and you get a good margin to sell.
Okay. And in
This
this,
types of kurtis and all we have starting from 250 rupees.
okay.
Multiple prints,
Very
multiple
nice.
designs.
Any size you want to tell?
Yes, S to double XL. All
Okay.
sizes available.
Plus-
S, M, L, XL, double XL.
Okay.
Multiple prints, multiple designs.
Plus size also you get with you.
Yes.
Okay. And in this, what about that alia cut, umbrella cut, all those
Everything
you'll
you'll
get?
it.
Okay.
Kurtis. Yes.
And you get
You just
kuti or
contact us.
you'll get only kuti or kuti set also.
No, only kurtis for now.
Only kutis you'll get.
Yes.
Okay. And so if someone wants in bulk,
Yes.
500,000.
We have a ready stock for all this items.
all right. Okay.
Yes. They can contact us on WhatsApp. We'll give all the details.
Okay, so before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections of blouse, kurti, sari shapewear. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happy shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.